Hi, and well done for taking a short break today. We're going to be exploring a breathwork technique that involves pinching or plugging the nose. Sounds a little bit weird, but roll with it and see how you feel afterwards. So sit up nice and tall. You can do this standing up, but I recommend sitting down if you can. Also nice to close down through the eyes. That's going to help you shift your focus, your mental focus, from the outside world to the inside world. That's what we're here for. We're here to take a break, to check in with how we're feeling, and to maybe alter how we're feeling slightly by using the breath. So once you've found yourself in a comfortable position, begin to check in with your breathing. If you can breathe through the nose, this one needs to be done by breathing through the nose. Start to slow the breath down, soften the body, soften the breath. Stay long in the spine, but let the muscles relax. Bring one hand up towards your face and get the thumb and the pinky finger ready. Take a soft inhale through the nose. Soft exhale through the nose. Plug the nostrils or pinch the nose for a count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release, gentle breath in. Gentle breath out, normal breaths. Gentle breath in. Gentle breath out. At the end of the exhale, pinch or plug the nose for a count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release, normal size breath in. Relaxing breath out. Nice and natural, one more like that. Gentle breath in. Gentle breath out. Natural close of this exhale, pinch or plug the nose for a count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to continue like this. Gentle breath in. Gentle breath out. Gentle breath in. Gentle breath out. Pinch and plug the nose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Gentle breath in. Gentle breath out. Gentle breath in. Gentle breath out. Pinching the nose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gentle breath in. 2 more full rounds. Exhale. Nice and soft. Normal size breathing. And after this next exhale, pinching the nose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale soft. Exhale gently, normal size breath out. Last one, pinching the nose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Exhale. Let your body breathe freely. Release the control of your breath. Take a moment. And when you're ready, open the eyes. Come back into the room. Thank you so much for taking a break with me today. I'll see you back here soon. For more breathwork content, live work sessions, and an array of recharge content that can help you regain your focus, unwind, or ramp up your energy, head over to www.flown.com.